some of the meters we find in our network that have not come through us, they don't measure anything. They are not good meters. So when you put it there, they're there. But ECG cannot read the meters. The meters are not measuring, so we cannot read the consumption, so we cannot bill you. So we have two issues. The first one, we don't have you in our records, so we cannot bill you. The second one is that we cannot even measure the power you are consuming. And unfortunately, most of the facilitators are our friends in Parliament and assemblymen and DCs, and so we are indulging your support so we can curb the issue of illegal meters.